Did you know that a healthy and delicious meal can be prepared in just a few minutes? Today, we're going to talk about the benefits of grilled chicken breast with broccoli and carrots. Starting with vegetables. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C and K, besides being an excellent source of fiber. Carrots, on the other hand, are a great source of vitamin A, which is important for the health of the eyes and the immune system. Now let's talk about chicken breast. Besides being a high source of protein, grilled chicken is a healthier option than fried chicken because it contains less fat. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking for a balanced diet. Now put it all together in one dish. You will have a healthy dish, rich in nutrients and with an amazing taste. So if you want to take care of your health and still enjoy a delicious meal, try the grilled chicken breast with broccoli and carrots. Your body and your taste buds thank you.